As you can see here, we are using serial.print command. Then we wrote something called temperature equals to. So then I wrote a temperature, see, like it is at 23. And then after that I use the serial.print ln here. Now I use the ln over here, not with the other command. This means that these both will be displayed on the same line, and then on the same line this will be displayed, but as soon it is done, then because of this ln we will move on to the next line, and this will be our result. See, temperature equals to 23C. So that's how you use these two commands together. So welcome to learning microcontrollers. So guys, in this video I will show you the difference between the serial.print versus serial.println statement in the Arduino IDE, and I will show this using an example of the coding. So we will be using an Arduino UNO. So this over here is our Arduino UNO. In this tutorial we are just going through a software based problem. So this is a command we usually use, serial.print hello, but this is another command we also use, serial.println hello. Now what is the difference? If we write print or println, if we add ln or don't add ln, then let me tell you verbally over here, like serial.print, it will keep on printing on the same line, but if you use a println, then it will move to the next line. So let me demonstrate to you. First of all, let me show you the hardware. This is the hardware. Just connect an Arduino to your computer and that's it, because we will be using the serial monitor. Now go to your Arduino IDE. This is my Arduino IDE. Let me zoom in. First of all, go to your left, click on File, New Sketch. Wait for the new sketch to open up. Here you go. It's opened. Now guys, first of all, click on File and save your work before you do anything else. Save. Okay. Just write any name, print versus println tutorial. Okay. That is the name I wrote. You may write any name you prefer. Wait for the new sketch to load. Okay, it's loaded. Okay guys, now go to the tools and make sure that your Arduino is working. Okay, board Arduino UNO selected. That's perfect. COM port, whichever the COM port Arduino is on, must be selected. Okay, that's perfect. Our Arduino is connected and working. Now I remove these comments. If you want to keep, you may keep them. Okay, first of all, in the void setup we initialize the serial port, serial.begin, and whatever the baud rate you prefer, I prefer 9600 set. Okay. Now next thing is we write our command. First of all, we check the command serial.print and then I write hello. Let's see what happens with just this command. I click on upload. Okay, code is verified, no errors, uploading, done uploading. That's perfect. Now go to the tools, click on serial, oh sorry, not the plotter, click on serial monitor. It's accident. Okay, click on tools, serial monitor, this one. Okay, it's opened. Now see, hello, it is printing on the same line. The code is too fast, we slow down the code, we add some delay. I add a delay of 250 milliseconds. That's fine. I again upload the code. Wait. Okay, go to the serial monitor, clear the screen, click here to clear. Okay, now see, it is writing hello on the same line. Now that is what the serial.print will do. Now if I add ln here, like I make it serial.println, I add ln. Now I upload the code and we see the difference. Okay, done. Okay, done uploading. Now see, it is writing in the next line. So that is a difference. If you use serial.print only, it means it will keep on writing on the same line. If you use ln, then it means it will write on the next line. Now these are great statements. Like I want to write something, I write here hello. Okay, I write here like temperature is equal to what? Like temperature is equal to something, then I want this to be shown before my temperature, then the temperature. So I take an integer. I'm just giving you an example, the usefulness of using these both commands together. Print temperature, okay, a variable called integer temp, and it already have a value of like 23. So print temp equal to, now we use a command serial.println. Now it is writing in the same line. See, we are writing in the same line. What we display here, temp. Okay, this variable, whatever is in this variable, we display here, that is 23. And now after this, it is displaying here. After this, because we have not changed the line, still we are on the same line. If we display the temperature, and then I write another command here to display the Celsius. Like I show another string. I also give spaces. So like two spaces, and then I write C. So it means centigrade. Now I upload this code. Now see what happens. Okay, refresh the terminal. Okay, now see, it is showing this temperature equal to 23, but it is showing on the same line. If I want to make it look good, then I just cut the line here. On whichever command I'm going to use the ln, the line will be cut from that point. Remember, now I upload this code. Now see the beauty of using these two commands together to make it useful. Now see how much nice it looks. Temperature equals to 23C. So this is how you play with these two commands, the print and the println. So ln, whenever you want that, like this line is enough, now I want the next part to be displayed on the next line, just use this ln here. So that's how you, that is what is the difference between these two commands. So I hope you guys learned something from this lecture. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Goodbye until then.